In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom order in Lightroom quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to organize your photos in a specific sequence instead of relying on Lightroom's default sorting options. Whether you're building a portfolio, arranging a client gallery, or just trying to line up your images in the exact order you want, this method can save you a lot of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic or Adobe Lightroom on your PC. Once you're inside your catalog, go to Grid View by pressing G on your keyboard. This makes it much easier to see all of your images at once and work with them more efficiently. Next, open the collection or album that contains the photos you want to reorder. This is important because custom ordering works best when you're working inside a specific collection or album rather than just browsing randomly through folders. Now, right-click on the image you want to move or organize and then select Go to Folder in Library. This takes you directly to the folder where that photo is stored, which gives you more control over how the images are arranged. Once you're in the folder view, you can now create your custom order by dragging and arranging the photos the way you want them to appear. As you change the order, Lightroom will update the sort order too, so everything stays matched up properly. This is really helpful if you need a very specific image sequence for a slideshow, export, client review, or social media post. And just to be clear, the key here is making sure you're in the right view and the right folder or collection before you start rearranging. If you're working in the collection, Lightroom gives you much more flexibility for custom organization. If needed, you can also switch back and forth between grid view and your collection to double check that the order looks correct. Take a moment to review the sequence after you've moved everything so you know the final layout is exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with it, your custom order is set and ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a custom order in Lightroom on PC. If this tutorial saved you time, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Lightroom tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.